In a world often filled with turmoil and conflict, the quest for peace becomes more profound than ever. Join us on a journey to explore the essence of harmony and the beauty of a world without human conflict. Nature, in its purest form, teaches us the art of coexistence. Here, amidst the rustle of leaves and the gentle flow of rivers, creatures of all kinds find their place in the intricate tapestry of life. In the mosaic of humanity, diversity is not a source of division, but a testament to our shared humanity. Through understanding and respect, we bridge the gaps that divide us, celebrating the richness of our differences. In moments of adversity, the true essence of humanity shines brightest. Whether lending a helping hand or offering solace to those in need, acts of compassion form the cornerstone of a world united in empathy. Amidst disagreements and differing perspectives, the power of dialogue paves a path towards reconciliation. Through open communication and mutual understanding, nations forge bonds that transcend the barriers of distrust. Across continents and oceans, bridges of cooperation rise, linking hearts and minds in pursuit of a common dream. Together, we transcend borders, embracing the unity that defines our shared destiny. From the wisdom of the past to the courage of the present, the legacy of peace endures. Inspired by the visionaries who dared to dream of a better world, we carry forward the torch of hope, knowing that peace is not merely a destination but a journey we embark on together. In the tapestry of existence, let us weave threads of compassion, understanding, and respect. For in the symphony of life, it is the harmony of our hearts that truly brings peace to our world.